to fix can't open files problem on your Android device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your can't open files problem on your Android device. So if you are encountering or can't open file error on your Android device, so here are several steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First of all, you have to check the file format. Ensure that the file format is supported by the app and you are using. So not all app can open every file type. Make sure to update your app. So on the second the second step is that you have to update your app. Make sure the app you are trying to use is updated to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store and search for the app that you want to update. Also, you can navigate to your profile and you can go for the manage app and devices and you can go for this update all here. You have to update all your app on your device. So you have to use the right app. So if a file won't open in one app, so just go and open up your Gmail here. For an example, let's take an example here. And go for your Gmail just navigate to your Gmail and here you can see that. You have to tap on that and here you can see that you can open with this. So you have to use a PDF reader for PDF files or photo viewer for imaging. Just go for this. And you can find that here you can see that this file has loaded successfully on my Yaml spreadsheet. Also, you can go to the setting and clear your cache of your app. Sometimes a simple restart also can resolve the file access issues. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix that your file can't open on your Android device. If none of these above work or solution work, you may consider a factory reset on your device. You have to back up your data first. Go to your setting on your device. So once you are on your setting, you have to navigate to your about phone. Once you are on your about phone, you have to erase all your data and go for the factory reset option. So with the help of this video, you will know about how you can fix your problem. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.